Alright, well hello everybody. Looks like I'm going to do another unboxing video today. It's been quite a long time. But today I'm going to do the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. And I picked Mystic White. It's been a long time since I've had a Note phone. I think the last one I had was a Note 5, so it's been a few years. So anyway, here's the outside of the box. Nothing there. Nothing there. And then we've got that there. And of course just all the information on the back there. So let's go ahead and see if we can't get into this. Hopefully that'll do it. Go ahead and put it off there. And of course on the inside, get your box. And this will set aside over here. On here you just got your paperwork. Looks like you just saw your paperwork, and then you've got your SIM release tool there. So not too much there. And then of course on this side here we've got the phone. It greets you with this beautiful phone, this beautiful display right here. Y'all see that? It's a big display. Alright, let's go ahead and see if we can't take this out. Okay, there we go. And there it is. Wow, that is a big phone. That really is a big phone. Probably one of the biggest ones I've had. On the top you got a mic and a SIM card. See that there? And then on the bottom you've got another mic and USB-C and speaker and the S Pen. On this side nothing. And on this side you got your power and your speaker buttons. So there it is. Look at that camera bump. Isn't that crazy? That's a crazy camera bump no matter how you look at it. Beautiful phone though. I love this color. Yeah, we'll set that down for just a second. See what else is in the box. Just a piece of paper. Got a 25-watt charger. Pretty standard. Nothing in that box. Guess they were just showing you a box of something you could have had but you're not getting. Like, here's a box but nothing's in it. And here is the USB to USB-C cord. Everything you need there to charge your phone. This phone does have wireless charging. So anyway, we'll get all this out of here. We can put it all back in here real quick. And kind of get it out of the way. And then we'll just take a look at this phone again. Alright. So it looks like we have this one on the back. That's one of my most favorite parts. Yeah, that's great, isn't it? Now you can really see the back of the phone and see that it's pretty shiny. Not too bad. And then on this side, I've got this one here. Alright, and there that is. There is the phone. Now all I've got to do is get it set up. Got to get my SIM card in there and get it all connected to my network and all that fun stuff. But again, this is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. I got the 128 gigabyte model. So it's a very nice phone. A very big camera bump. Maybe later on I'll be able to do a review on it after I've had it for a little bit. I'm very excited to be able to use a Note phone again. It's been such a long time. I really missed my Note phone that I had years and years ago. I'm coming from a Pixel 2 XL at the moment, so this will be a pretty big change. So anyway, that is my unboxing. Later on we'll do a review. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. It wasn't too informative, but maybe with the review it will be. Alright, this begins with Mike's Tech Show. So if you like what you've seen, please subscribe and hit the like button. And just let me know in the comments how I've done or if you want to see any more videos. Thanks.